Hi guys, for today's video, I've been seeing all over social media that people are using their eyelash curlers to do a cut crease on the lid. So they use the top part of the lash curler, put it right on the socket, and it's supposed to give you a precise cut to the crease look on the lid. And I'm gonna be using two eyelash curlers today, which is the Pure Cosmetics one and the Shiseido eyelash curler. I'm definitely gonna show you the difference when I use these two different eyelash curlers. So yeah, you guys, so definitely stay tuned so you guys can see my review on this tech. You can use any base you may have. I'm using this P. Louise base and it's in the shade 0.5. I use a lighter base because I want the colors to stand out more, and I also have very dark circles. So that's why I use a lighter base. But you can use any base you may have. For this trend that everybody's using any eyelash curler you may have, I'm gonna try two of them just to see if it gives the same effect or it's different. But I'm gonna be using the Shiseido eyelash curler and the Pure Cosmetics eyelash curler. I'm pretty sure both are gonna do the same thing, but I'm just curious to see if they both give the same effect. You can use any blending brush. I'm gonna be using the Morphe M441 brush. It's a little more tapered, more pointier. Okay guys, and I'm gonna be using this Kylie Cosmetics palette. You can use any palette that you may have. I'm gonna be using the shade called Thriving, which is this one here. This one there, it's like a brown grayish shade. And I'm gonna use the Shiseido eyelash curler on this eye right here, right on the socket of my lid. Just pouring that brush right above the lash curler, just going back and forth for like a windshield wiping motion. Wow, that really worked. I'm gonna use a Pure eyelash curler on this side. For some reason, I feel like the Pure Cosmetics eyelash curler is fitting better on my eye socket than the Shiseido one. I don't know if you guys can see that. As you can see, the Pure Cosmetic eyelash curler almost went into my inner corner. Like it hugged it much better. And it got it most basically all the way. And look at the Shiseido eyelash curler. Oh, it didn't even go. It stopped like right here. Oh yeah, I definitely like the Pure Cosmetics curler better, eyelash curler better for this. So I'm just gonna use it on the other side just to get it even now. You can see it definitely that lash curler did make a difference, and it saves you a lot of time too. I really like how it came out. It looks really good. Now I don't have to keep cutting the crease. So if you're a beginner and don't know how to do this, definitely try this hack. I'm gonna do it from now on. It's so much easier. It's gonna be harder for me because I have limited lid space, so it's gonna be hard for me to blend colors above. I know there's people that usually apply the darker shade first and then blend upward. But for me, I'm old school. I usually like to build up color, because if I don't do it the other way, I feel like it gets muddier. I use the shade Birthday Boy, which is this one here. And as you can tell, like the other color got lost, so that's why I like to blend my colors up. Now I'm gonna just go ahead and just darken it. I'm gonna do the same thing with the lash curler, but I'm just gonna use a darker color now, which is called Moments in Time. But I'm gonna be doing the same hack using the eyelash curler again. And I'm gonna be using the Morphe M506 brush so we can get it like nice in there. So I feel like if I use the other brush again, it's just gonna get lost again. Going back and forth and blending at the same time. Be nice and blending and not just a harsh line. As you can tell guys, I kept using the eyelash curler, and for some reason it transferred a little bit over. Like I feel like the more you do it, the more it's gonna go to your actual lid. So you can see that. The first time it didn't, but now I don't know if it's the base that's doing it, because it is like a liquid base, so it does kind of crease. Seems like it's creasing a little bit, but I'm gonna go ahead and go back now. I'm gonna go ahead and actually put the actual base onto the lash curler and see what that does. I don't know if I've seen this before, but I'm gonna try it. Right there. Wow, that just I feel like that's even easier. Okay, let me go ahead and blend that because I think I put a little bit too much. For me, I feel like I'm gonna actually do more of the base onto the lash curler. To me, that's a better hack for my type of eyes. So now I'm just blending that like the other side too, because I put a little bit too much. I'm just blending it on the rest of the lid. Definitely gonna be trying this instead. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a shadow now, just so that that base isn't creased. I'm gonna be using this shade here, this one there. It is XXIB. This one, apply that right on the lid. And I believe they use this part also of the lash curler, like the bottom handle parts. See how the one that's going straight, they use that part for the eyeliner. You use any liner if you like, use liquid, but I'm going to be using pencil. So I'm going to be using the Sugar Cosmetics eyeliner in the shade Back to Black. Part here, and just like this. See, I'm bringing it upward. And line top of my lashes. Okay, going back with the shades Moments in Time, that darker shade, I'm gonna go ahead and place that shade right on top. Kind of connecting them together with that top shade we applied on the crease. Kind of connect those two together. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab that shade called Make a Wish from the same palette. And I'm gonna be using the Sky High mascara from Maybelline. Okay, the lashes I'm gonna be using today are these Luna Magic Lashes in the style Diosa. You can get these at Walmart. I've been using them for a while now, and in another style. I forgot what the other style was called, but those are my favorite. They didn't have them last time I went, so I had to get these, but these are really nice too. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my complexion products. All those products you can see in my other videos, the products that I apply. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm gonna be using the Sugar Cosmetics eyeliner. I'm gonna go back with that Kylie palette again and use that shade Moments in Time again, a darker shade. And placing it on the bottom of my lashes and smudging those two together. I'm also connecting the two shades together, the top and the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and use that Sky High mascara from Maybelline again and placing that on the bottom of my lashes. So somebody wanted to join me over here. She wants some attention, guys. She's really attention. Okay. You want some love, Mama? I love you too. I love Mommy. Yes, I know you love your mommy. I want attention, guys. She's a really good dog, but she just wants a lot of attention. And for those who have a corgi, no. Ooh, it's a new member also of the family. Forgot to mention her name is Roxanne. Oh my god, okay, I get it. Okay, now I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter in the shade Tan Deep. For those who want a review on this product, it is on my last video, so go ahead and check that out, guys. Even though I applied a little bit too much on this side, as you guys can see. A little bit underneath the jawline. I'm gonna go ahead and use this Winky Lux blush in the shade Tricky Rose. And I know you guys been seeing me wear this blush a lot, but I really like it. I'm definitely gonna get more shades from this brand. I really love their blushes. KKW Beauty Contour and Highlighting Kit. Contour and Highlighting Kit was the shade medium. I really hope they bring it back. Just to contour my nose, a little bit of it, because a little bit goes a long way. Grab a highlighter in the same palette and just applying it right here on the bridge of my nose and the tip of my nose. Just like that. I'm debating, guys. I don't think I'm gonna apply any highlighter. I just love the glow it already gives with that bronzer and that blush, so I'm just gonna leave it as is. But my mind's telling me to apply highlighter even though I do not need it. I think I got so used to always wearing highlighter in my daily routine. I'm just gonna apply a little bit on the top of my forehead. Maybe just a little bit. Just like a little dust of that right there. I know I always use this lip color, but this is a MAC Selena and Big Bertha. It's a liquid lipstick from MAC Cosmetics. I love this shade so much, and I try my best to not really use it because I don't have anything that's a dupe for this, and I'm scared the day it runs out or I can't use it anymore because it's like my favorite shade ever. See, now you guys know why I love it so much. It's so pretty. Now I'm going to be using this Makeup by Mario Ultra Suede Cozy Lip Cream in the shade Nude Suede. I just applied a little bit also of MAC Selena's Hey Dad Pizza Gloss. That a little bit on the center of the lips. Just a little bit. I'm going to start on that a little bit on the drier side. Alright guys, and this is the final look. What I think about this hack, I personally, well, I think it just depends on the eye shape you have, but for me, since I have semi-hooded eyes, I definitely rather prefer using the base on top of the lash curler better. I feel like it got right in there for me, and, but I feel like if you have much larger eyes or deep set eyes, I think it might work a lot better. Using the shadow, but I mean it's preferably your choice, but I definitely suggest you guys trying it first and see how it works for y'all. But I honestly thought it was a good hack, but like for me, I rather again prefer the base on the top of the lash curler and then putting it on there right after you did your eyeshadow. How about you guys? But for me, using the bottom part of the lash curler to do the liner with, maybe I'm gonna try it next time with liquid eyeliner and see how that works. But for me with the regular eye pencil, I feel like it didn't work very well. But I'll definitely try it next time with the liquid and let you guys know. But yeah guys, definitely try it out and see which method you guys like better. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video again, and don't forget to like this video and also subscribe. So yeah guys, till next time, bye bye.